and welcome to the Bluehub YouTube channel. I'm Joe and I'm the product specialist here at Bluehub, and I'll be running you through today how to work with shipping zones and how to have automatic calculations for shipping based on where that particular item is being delivered to within the world. So first thing we need to do when we log into the system is we can go into settings at the very top. From settings we can go into reference books. On the right hand side of reference books we can go into our shipping zones, and I have two different types of shipping zones which I've currently set up. I've set one up for the UK, which is just called UK shipping, and I have another one which is set up for the rest of the world. So if my delivery address contains UK or United Kingdom, it will use this top rule set. If it contains anything other than the UK or United Kingdom, it's going to default to £40 once I run the calculation within the system. If I jump into one of these rule sets here, so if we go into UK shipping, what we'll see is a breakdown of how this shipping zone is being calculated. First off, we need to give a name to the shipping zone, and we can give if this particular shipping zone is going to calculate shipping with VAT for that particular shipping line for our additional cost. We then have an option at the very top which is where this is being applied to. So if this was, say, for Europe instead of the UK, we could then have different countries inside of Europe where this particular shipping rule is being applied to, and each one of these countries we could have a certain state or a postcode it is being applied to, and then a shipping rate for that particular location. In this case I only have United Kingdom set up, so I'm basically saying once the shipping zone is chosen, if the customer's address ends in United Kingdom, you want to apply a £50 shipping rate charge. However, based on this option down here which is highlighted in blue, if we are using the price and weight base rates in the system, they will override what we currently have applied up here. So if you're just doing a blanket rule regardless of where the customer is in a particular location, we could do something like this below here. I'm currently using the price base rates in the system. We have a minimum spend and we have a free shipping option. Our minimum spend for shipping in this case is the minimum amount someone needs to buy or spend with us is £10 worth of product, going all the way up to £29.99. You could reduce this £10 to £0 if you wanted to cover all bases. And what this basically means is the rate of the minimum spend is going to charge that customer £4.99 for shipping. However, if they go over the £30 minimum limits, this is 30 plus, it will allow them to have free shipping, and there's no max, so it just goes up until as much as they actually spend with you. This is going to calculate for free shipping. If you were to use weights, you could have a combination of price based and weights, and it will pick whatever shipping method is appropriate for that time, and you could combine these together. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to scroll up and I'm just going to click save. One other thing to mention as well with the UK shipping is I have an option here called tax included, and this will basically add in the total inclusive of the tax. So you can either choose to be exclusive or inclusive of VAT for your calculation to qualify for the minimum spend. From here I can go into sale, new and simple sale. From our simple sale we can choose a customer. In this case I'm just going to use our Bluehub customer. Once we've picked our customer from here, we always want to double check there is a shipping address which is being applied. You can also do the shipping rates within the quotation stage of the order as well, so you don't need to just do it within the order stage. As I scroll further down here, on the left hand side we can now add some items. So in this case I'm just going to add some cupcakes to this particular order. Customer is going to order one of these particular items. We can see the price is £10, and as we scroll further down here we can see the grand total is £12 with VAT. So what we could do from here is we can click get shipping rates. We're going to get our shipping rates from our shipping zones. If you're connected to ShipTheory or a different ShipStation or a different shipping app, you sometimes will get a drop down here as well, which allows you to get the shipping rates from that platform. If we click get shipping zones from here, once I save, we're going to get a pop-up in the middle of the screen. It's going to choose our carrier. In this case it's UK shipping, which is the name of my shipping zone, and it's going to give me the options of the services which I can provide for this particular shipping method. At the moment there's only one available, which is our minimum spend, because it's in between our 0 and our £29.99 spend limit. However, if I click into this and then click OK, it's then going to pre-populate our additional charges with our shipping method for our £4.99. What we can do from here is I can change this quantity now to, let's say, 3 to increase the price. It's now worth £41.99. If I remove our shipping charge from here, we can now see it's £36. So if I now do another get shipping rates, choose our shipping zones, and then from here, if I pick our service, we can now see the free shipping option is now applying because it's gone over that £30 threshold. It's now gone into our free shipping threshold, and from here we can click OK. It will then add in the free shipping element, and it will make sure the price is 0 because that's the price we've currently set within the system. If, for instance, our particular shipping address was not the United Kingdom, and where it falls, if we go back into this other page from here for our shipping zones, where it falls into the rest of the world, it will just default it to £40. If there's any questions on how the shipping zones works within the system, or if there's any other videos or ideas you'd like for us to discuss on the channel, please let us know and leave your thoughts in the comments. I look forward to speaking to you all next time.